Find the smallest value of n such that row n of Pascal's triangle contains 3 consecutive entries with ratio 3 to 4 to 5. Let's assume n choose r minus 1, n choose r, n choose r plus 1 has ratio 3 to 4 to 5. This means n factorial divided by r minus 1 factorial times n minus r plus 1 factorial to n factorial divided by r factorial times n minus r factorial to n factorial divided by r plus 1 factorial n minus r minus 1 factorial equals 3 to 4 to 5. We can divide each number by n factorial. We can multiply each number by r plus 1 factorial and n minus r plus 1 factorial. Then the first number reduces to r plus 1 times r. The second number reduces to r plus 1 times n minus r plus 1. The third number reduces to n minus r times n minus r plus 1. This ratio is 3 to 4 to 5. We want to find the smallest value of n such that this ratio is satisfied. Let's assume this is 3k, this is 4k, this is 5k. Then we have r over n minus r plus 1 equals 3 over 4. 4r equals 3n minus 3r plus 3. 7r minus 3n equals 3. One equation about r and n. From this ratio, we also have r plus 1 over n minus r equals 4 over 5, which means 5r plus 5 equals 4n minus 4r. So 9r minus 4n equals negative 5. This is a second equation about n and r. Solving this system of two equations of n and r, we can find r equals 27, n equals 62. So the answer is n equals 62.